Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the review of commission pages. Okay, so this is the members area of commission pages, and you can also tell it as a dashboard. But before getting into the review, let me just tell you the main purpose of this making this video is to show you the bonuses which I am giving to you totally free with this software. Okay, so the bonus value is $6,397 custom bonuses, which I will show you at the end of the video, or you can do that. You can use the video description and you can just directly redirect it to the bonuses using video chapters. Okay, the timestamp. Okay, so this is the dashboard. In a nutshell, this software is totally giving you a kind of funnel page builder kind of. You can do the affiliate page, you can do the squeeze page, you can make the thank you page, the opt-in page, the lead magnet page. Everything will be everything is pretty easily done with this software. Okay, you can also use the auto responding thing also with this software. Okay, so I will show you each and every stuff of this software, and let me just begin the review now. Okay, so this is the dashboard. You can see this is the dashboard section, and there is nothing much to show you, but before getting into the after purchasing this software, I highly recommend you to go through the tutorials, because they have given so much valued videos on this tutorial section. Let me show you that they have given so many videos. Okay, so you can see they have given so many videos to you, and you should go through these videos. After going through these videos, this software will be literally eating butter to you. Okay, so this software will be very smooth to you, and you can just start earning with this software very from the very beginning after purchasing it. Okay, so I will highly recommend you to go through the tutorials after purchasing it. So the third option is your campaigns. Once I have clicked on your campaigns, okay, it will allow me to create a campaign, or I can also edit previously done campaigns. Okay, let me click on create campaign. Once I have clicked on create campaign, it will give me a big form. Okay, so form like view. I have to fill the form, and then according to the form, it will give me the pages. Okay, the squeeze pages, the thank you pages, or the affiliate pages. Okay, it is taking time. Okay, while it is taking time, let me just clear you that once you have clicked the video description link, you will be redirected to this page. This is a review page, and on this page you can get the software easily, and also the bonuses. Okay, so it has come. So you can see this was the form which I was talking about, and you can put the video title. Okay, so the headline, theme color. Okay, so everything should be chosen by you, and once you have put every of the aspects. Okay, so let me just give a overview of each of them. Okay, so you have to put the background image. You should, I don't recommend you, I don't tell you that have to, but you should use the background image, the affiliate names, the product images, and the featured images, also auto responding feature if you have an email list. Okay, so these are the headings, subheadings, buttons. Okay, everything you have to choose. Okay, so they are giving also social pop-ups facility. Okay, so you can use social media pop-ups, also Facebook posts, pixel codes. If you try to run Facebook advertisement, you should use this, and also maybe I think that they should give you also Google Analytics, because as Facebook, if you run ads on Facebook, maybe you want to run on Google. Okay, that's why it should be given, but they have not given that thing. Okay, so once you have filled up this form, let me show you how it will looks like. Okay, so once I have clicked on edit on a done for you funnel page. Okay, so I think it will take time. Okay, so this is a form which is already been filled. This is totally done for you. You can see, so this is a headline, and this is theme color, and this is background images, and everything. Okay, so you want to give any lead magnet or popular choice or fast track. Okay, everything will be very handy to you, and I am using this software for a second time. Okay, that's why I can't give you a detail or a pretty depth overview. I am giving an overview on the like bird's eye view. Okay, so there are so many options. You can see after purchasing it you have to discover the software. Okay, so there are so many done for you funnel pages also. Let me show you an example of done. You can use the traffics also. Okay, how your pages are performing. Okay, let me show you a done for you example page. Okay, so I have clicked on and a squeeze page. So it was a given squeeze page. Your squeeze page will looks like some kind of will look like something like that. Okay, so this is a kind of affiliate page. Okay, your affiliate page also looking so nice. It's looking so nice and pretty much professional. Okay, because it has also bonuses and also so many features which are totally pretty much professionally made. Okay, so bonuses, your copy, your free, your email leads. Okay, you can see also the lead magnet pages. Okay, so once you have started using this software, you will get such kind of funnel pages. Okay, which are totally very much high converting. You can see they looks like very much professional. Okay, so this is download page also. Okay, so nothing more to show you on this software. Okay, I think this is done for you. Second funnel pages, and this is social share, and this is traffics. I think it is coming on the upgrade version. Okay, let me click on this. Let me show you what they are giving. Okay, I was right that it is an upgrade version. Okay, so these are also upgrade and upgrade membership. Okay, now let me show you the ratings, the everything about this software, the cost price, the ease of use. Okay, everything. Okay, so this is a review page. There is a meme created by me, because I always want a little bit smile on your face while choosing your product. Okay, that's why I always create meme on each and every product. Okay, so this is the commission pages front end product, and this has got 97% on feature and facilities. On performance, it has got 98%, because you can see the pages are really looks very much professional. Okay, so this is ease of use got 94%, and market hits got 94% also, which is pretty much awesome. And value for money is 96%. And overall it has got 9.6 out of 10, which is superb. I never consider market hits on overall section. Okay, so it costs only $17. You can just your mind should be blown up that it costs only $7, which is near about a large pizza's cost. Okay, so they are giving also 180 days no question money back guarantee, and they are the owner is very much reputed. Okay, so there is no chance of fakes. Okay, so what else you need? They are giving also 180 days no question money back guarantee. Okay, so this is a button by clicking which you will be redirected to the software and also the bonuses. Okay, so I have just explained here what are the main features. Okay, what is this software, and also given the both buttons to get you the bonuses and the software also. So this is the inside view. So now let me show you the bonuses which I want to crazily show you. Okay, so this is the sales funnel. You can see there are so many product has been given, and this is the bonuses. Okay, which I was talking about. So these are the bonuses. Okay, so I was very much eager to show you the bonuses. Now let me just show you. So these are the bonuses. You can see I am scrolling down there. I am going through now 35 bonuses, and now let me show you that after 50 bonuses I have put here 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses. That means you are getting 320 all in all 320 plus bonuses, which are stuffed with softwares, PDFs and plugins and case studies, video case studies, which will help you to earn money online hugely, and also getting so much softwares, pretty much good softwares. Okay, so 320 plus bonuses as mega bonuses I have put here, because these days man is very busy and no one everyone has so much reading span also. Okay, so that's why, and also I am also so much tired. That's why I put here 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses. So you are getting 320 plus bonuses on this price from my side, totally free, on only $17. Okay, so after purchasing this product, what you can do, that you can use this blue button, you will be redirected to the affiliate bonuses and you can just use the bonuses. So this was the things which I want to tell, and I have already told you. So this is also a button by clicking which you can go through the software and also the bonuses. So that was the overview, and so I am ending this now. So I am signing out for the day. So bye bye.